Hey, Tamara here. And guess what? Just 2 weeks ago, I started the Figure Accelerator mentorship affiliate marketing program, kind of high ticket affiliate marketing. And I made almost 1K yesterday when I was out for the day. I wasn't even working. But this is the beauty when you have a 90% automated affiliate marketing business done for you. Okay. So if you're happy making your $7, $10 commissions, then just go away now. If you want to make 1K commissions plus, then stay right here, because I'm going to show you further income proof from lots of members in the group who are making high ticket affiliate marketing commissions almost every day. Some people every day. That's my goal. I'm also going to take you inside the course, what exactly you're going to get with this amazing mentorship program, as well as you can see my 7-figure accelerator bonuses. So now you're going to have a 90% done for you business with about 1K's worth of bonuses as well that I will host for you. All right. So without further ado, let's go. So we'll start off with mine. There you go. 1 day ago, yesterday. Whoop, boop, boop, boop. Now let's go into the group. Check this out again yesterday. We had over 21 different people make high ticket sales, and some even multiple in 1 day. $193,000 in 1 day. What the boop, 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 boop. Check this guy. He's made 4K with this is through free traffic. So no paid ads at all. Okay. And that's the beauty of this course. So another one. And the beauty is that it's now at 500,000 views, actually, I saw today, for one 7-second video. And that's what you learn. So you're not even going to just learn about how to make these high ticket commissions. It's also about building your email list and getting social media, like building up your TikTok and Instagram. That is key to the free traffic. And she's actually made in March, and she only started in February, the course. Just for March, she made over 100,000. She made like $102,000 in March. She's a school teacher from England, for goodness sakes. That's what I mean. All walks of life, you can do this. If you have experience, if you don't have experience, no problem. Look, she made, again, same as me. So if you don't think you can do it, trust me, you can. Because you don't have to have a website or build a website. You don't even have to write the emails. It's all done for you. They set up everything for you. Check that out, like 479% increase. Another 1,000. 4.1K. She's on track from pretty much, she's making about 1K a day. $69,000 in 7 days? What? Yeah. I've been doing affiliate marketing for a few years, but I've never seen a course like this, what you learn. These guys, her and her husband, they're making $100,000 a month, and they started 5 months ago. So, yeah, it is as real as you can get. All right, you're going to see loads more income proof when you click the link below, and you're going to come to this page. There's Philip, the creator. There you go. That's the girl I was talking about. So you're going to click on here, watch the video, 14-minute video, and you'll see lots more income proof in there. And let's get to my bonuses. Okay. All right. So you're going to get a copy of this page, right? And I will edit the page for you. So it'll have your TikTok and Instagram on here instead. Okay. And your photo. And I'll host it. So now you've got done for you bonuses as well as a done for you business. And I highly recommend checking out this affiliate marketing hub of mine. This is my own training. And as well as 7-Figure Accelerator, I also have 3 other done for you businesses. Plus, I'm working on that you'll be able to download my whole course and just edit with your affiliate links for whatever courses you join. So there'll be like 99 income streams in there. I know, crazy. You'll also get in the emails, or you can get it from the bonus page, which I've also included in some of my emails. Then you get Philip, the creator of the course, you'll get his 17 video training course for free, which is like 1K worth, and you get it for free. I've got lots of other traffic sources if you want to do that. And then you get all of these as well. These are all video courses, except for when it looks like a book, because it's a book. You know, some extra training for you, and everyone likes free stuff. So that's why we got the free bonus page. All right, now let's go into the actual course. So there's the main one, which is 7-Figure Accelerator here. I actually joined the next level up, the elite level. So I get an extra Zoom meeting, which they all last like 2.5 hours, 3 hours a week. So everyone gets 2 of these a week. One's a mindset training and one is like live Q&A with Philip. And then if you go up higher levels, then you get another one-on-one, or not one-on-one, but Zoom meeting just for the inner circle people. And again, it's Q&A, which is what I love about it, because check this out. Okay, 205 participants. There's me there. I just woke up, so I didn't want to be on camera. The beauty of it is, which that's why I love it, because I've never seen this much kind of one-on-one help before, especially at the price. So with these, you can put your hand up and Philip will speak to you directly. Does my Instagram or my TikTok profiles look okay? Or I modeled my TikTok video on this video, which had 1 million views, but I only got 300 views. Why is that? And he'll literally go through, compare the two and say, this is what you need to improve on, or fix that, or change the font, all that jazz. So it's beneficial. You're not just, you know, wasting your time. And of course, as soon as your question's answered, you can leave the Zoom. You don't have to stay on it for 2.5 to 3 hours. But I'm just saying the dedication he puts in to help you succeed, or us succeed, is incredible. And that is why it's just taken off. Before we go there, I'll also show you the bonuses you get from Philip for the 7-Figure Accelerator. So just 5 sales, you're going to get a $1,000 bonus. And then the more sales you get, the more bonuses you make. So 4 more sales and I'll get an extra $1,000. Woohoo! So we go into the course. There is 98 lessons in here. Don't worry, you don't have to watch all of them. The main ones you want to watch, obviously start here and get your funnel set up, okay? Now we just have a new funnel that launched this week. I was one of the first to get it because I'm in the elite group. And that's how I made that sale, because the funnel, you can actually buy the 7-Figure Accelerator now inside the funnel. Before you had to book a call. Now, if you want to, you can still book a call. And if you want to upgrade, because the one difference is with the basic 7-Figure Accelerator, yeah, you'll make those 1K commissions. But if anyone joins like his one-on-one mentorship, anywhere from $5,800, which is when I got, up to $25,000, then not only does he shows you everything I know to make $100,000 per month and work one-on-one with you until you are guaranteed to be making $100,000 a month. It's just crazy. Oh my God. So you can also, once you join, you can click in here and you have a call with one of his setters and you can ask all your questions there. You can also ask about doing split payments, things like that. And in the funnel, the actual funnel, the one over here, so after you're watching this minute presentation, there'll be a little thing that comes up that you can click on to buy the 7-Figure Accelerator. And there's also financing for USA, Canada, Australia, and UK. All right. Some of them even have 0% financing. But I'll put it this way. 3 sales and you're $500 in profit. So that's another option. And you can also book a call inside the new funnel as well. So get back to it. You want to get your funnel set up right away. Okay. Because like I said, they do everything for you. And then watch this one, and then traffic. So all those modules, there's more videos in the module. Okay. It's not just that many. So there's 3 pages of different traffic techniques. Like literally, he takes you by the hand. Even if you've never used social media or TikTok, Instagram, right? You will be able to hear. And you get 60 emails done for you, and they set that up for you as well. So you don't have to worry about that. But say that you have an email list already, then they have plenty of emails in the course that you can download and blast out to your existing email list. It's just amazeballs, basically. And then remember, you have all of these in here, trainings, but then you have those at least 2 to 3 or more Zoom meetings with Philip every week. So yeah, it is packed to the rim with value. So if you want to invest in yourself and your future or your kids' future, then I highly recommend at least click the link below and watch the presentation. Okay, so I think that is a wrap for this video. I will keep you updated on my progression and the group's progression and like the thing that we all love, money. Show me the money. All right, so subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a video along the way. See you soon and have a good day. Cheers.